The Soo Locks separate Lake Superior from the other Great Lakes, overcoming a 21-foot difference. Let's check out the first Great Lakes footer as she leaves the larger Lock. About 90% of ships use the Lock. In the background you can see two other ships waiting to enter. A new lock is under construction to reduce the bottleneck, expected to be completed in 2030. Just downriver is the Ojibway supply ship, patiently waiting to rendezvous with the Stewart J Cort. In the background is the museum ship Valley Camp, which hosts some artifacts from the Edmund Fitzgerald. The Ojibway supplies many ships, taking advantage of her position just downstream of the Soo Locks where the ships are going a bit slower. Notice how the Cort turns. It kicks its back end out using the rudder while keeping the front pretty much steady. Stewart J Cort is a 1,000-foot Great Lakes freighter and is the only footer with a forward pilot house. She can carry 58,000 tons of cargo. It was the first vessel ever on the Great Lakes to reach 1,000 feet long and proudly displays her #1 badge. Thanks to Roger from Know Your Ships for the following image of Stubby. She sailed into the Great Lakes as pictured, where she was cut apart to add a 818-foot cargo section. The Ojibway is caught up now and is in position to send cargo on deck as the Cort continues sailing down the St. Mary's River. The loading process is pretty quick, with pallets being lifted on board, emptied by the crew, and then refilled with waste that the Ojibway will carry away. If you like this video, consider giving it a thumbs up, and I always love reading your comments. Thanks for watching.